Are you a manufacturer in the automotive industry that is struggling to understand recent Rec. 019 changes and find solutions for new IMDS, GADSL, and SCIP submission requirements? GreenSoft's SCIP Solution and Green Data Manager software provides SCIP compliance analysis, tracking, and direct submissions to the EU SCIP database. Plus, we offer a powerful component disclosure module software solution that allows automotive manufacturers to establish a materials database for your company using full material declaration data. Now that Rec. 019 is no longer acceptable for IMDS entries, full material declaration data is the new standard. By collecting FMD data instead of compliance declarations, you're covered for submissions to IMDS, SCIP, and GADSL. Once your company's FMD database is established in GreenSoft's component disclosure module software, you can provide your customers with FMD data and eliminate the need to reissue compliance declarations every time a regulation is updated. GreenSoft's component disclosure module software allows you to export full material declaration reports to Excel and XML formats. You can also export IPC 1752A XML and IEC 62474 XML reports with direct integration to your company's compliance web portal, making up-to-date product compliance information available to your customers in real time. GreenSoft's component disclosure and SCIP modules provide you with the solutions you need to meet these new and changing regulatory challenges. You can chat with our sales and technical representatives here at the AIAG conference to learn more and schedule a demo. You can also visit our website at greensoftTech.com/AIAG. Thanks for stopping by.